a road and the apartments behind here. But there's a storage shed, covered patio with a fan that is cement. It looks very nice, very good shape. Very cool. Pretty private, other than that. Bamboo, brick. Yeah, it's not gonna last. Neighbors take care of their properties. It's a good little street. Perfect. Okay.